Welcome back. Zilba, say welcome back.
Welcome back.
It's Friday. I didn't feel like vlogging yesterday. It's been like raining for days straight and like tsunamiing. It's not raining right now, but it's like gray outside. It looks sunny, but it's like gray. Me and Zoba are gonna make, what are we gonna make?
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaur bones in the brownies. I found this last week and I was like, oh my god, she's gonna freaking love this. Aslan! You say hi?
Cover your ears. Ollie, let's start the year. Hey, duck, say the later. Ollie, let's start the year. Hey, duck.
See you later.
Ollie, let's start the year.
Woo! Anyway, we're gonna make these brownies. She's obsessed with dinosaurs, so I figured she would be into this. All right.
I can do it.
Yes, and then you can do it.
Okay.
Wait, not yet. Not yet. We need to do this first. Wow, look at all these shovels. How cool. Okay, so... Okay. So can you pour this into the bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, do it. Dip it all out. You okay? Is the brownie powder getting to you? Woo! Okay.
Okay.
All right, now do the water.
Okay.
Pour it in here.
Okay.
Careful. Yay, good job, Zenova. Okay, and now we gotta do the oil.
I'll do it.
Okay. Whoa, good job. All right, and then we will crack 2 eggs.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll mix.
Boing. Yes, you'll mix. 1 second.
Okay.
All right, let me get you the mixer.
Okay.
Do you want the little one? I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Here. All right, you mix. Good job. No, not yet. Keep mixing. Oh, did you hear the oven beep? That means it's ready. Keep going. You got it? All right. Taste it. Ah! Taste it one more time. Okay. All done. And we gotta pour it in. Aslan. Yeah, we'll put it in the oven We gotta put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, but before we put it in the oven, we have to put the dinosaur bones in it. Yeah. All right, time to dump in the bones. You ready? Ah. All right. Whoa. Okay. Here, you wanna shake some in? Just a little bit. Okay. All right. What? No. Wow, that's a lot of bones. What do you think? Whoa. Whoa. That's a lot of bones. I don't know why they gave so many bones. Oh my goodness. You want to lick it? Lick what? We got to bury some of the bones. Okay, you lick that? Yeah. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm burying some of the bones. Okay, All right. Now we gotta put it in the oven. And we'll set the timer for 25 minutes. And it's out of the oven. It says to let it cool off and then like take it out and cut it into squares, so I'll do that later. A lot of this is weird. Like, I don't know why it needed the parchment paper. I don't know why there were so many freaking bones. I only did half the bag because that was so many bones. Yeah, so it is less than 2 weeks away until Eslin's first birthday. So I gotta start making her tutu for her first birthday pictures, like for her outfit. I always make the girls their outfits for their first birthday pictures. I ordered all the stuff, it's in, I just have to make it. And I considered vlogging it, but then like you would see like it all before the pictures. And I think I wanna wait to have it be like, you know, a surprise with the pictures, but we'll see. So I might not vlog me doing that. We are finally getting our beach day this weekend. I've been dying for like 2 months now. I haven't been to the beach in forever. So Sunday, we are going to the freaking beach. It's written on the calendar again, 3rd time's a charm. But like there's nothing else unless the weather doesn't permit. I mean, the weather's been crappy all week, so I don't know, but God willing, we're going to the freaking beach Sunday. Tonight and tomorrow, we don't have any plans. We're just gonna chill. We've been doing a lot lately, and a lot is gonna be coming up between Eslin's first birthday, Mother's Day. Dave has like dance recitals and stuff coming up. And then it's gonna be like end of school and then summer. So we're gonna chill this week. And I'll figure something out for us tonight. I think the weather's gonna be crappy the rest of the day anyway, so it's not like we'd be able to get out and do anything. So I'll keep you posted. Good morning. It is Saturday. I didn't vlog anymore yesterday because there wasn't really anything going on. We went for a walk and that was it. We were in bed early. But anyway, I just made a smoothie. I didn't vlog making it because I got distracted. Eslin. Yeah, so I made a smoothie. I've already cleaned up the house a little bit. Instead of Sunday clean day, we're gonna have Saturday clean day because I'm trying to go to the beach tomorrow. The weather forecast isn't necessarily like on our side, but we'll see. But yeah, and then later today we're gonna go out downtown and go out for dinner and just walk around and stuff. But until then, we're just gonna be cleaning. I've already started some laundry, I cleaned the kitchen. I gotta finish, obviously, putting some dishes away. I never started making Eslin's picture outfit, so I gotta start making that. Okay, so it's been a few hours. We are on our way. There's this like liquidation store that we found a few days ago. I guess it was last week already, right? It's been a week already. Yeah. It's been since last Thursday, I think.
So less than a week. 5 days.
No, last Thursday.
Oh.
No.
It was after my birthday.
It was Tuesday.
Yeah.
Just kidding. So a few days ago, we found this liquidation store, and Dave really wants to go back with her birthday money, so we're gonna go there, and then we'll go downtown. Like I said, the weather's looking real. I feel like on camera it never looks as gloomy as it really is. The weather's real gloomy, so I don't know where this afternoon will lead us, but that's our plan for now. So I didn't vlog the liquidating store because my children don't know how to act civilized in public, so I couldn't pull my camera out. Freaking heathens. Yep. And now we've figured out where we're gonna take Eslin's birthday pictures, and now we're walking around Chinatown trying to figure out somewhere to eat. I hate calling it Chinatown. I don't know what else to call it. If y'all know a better name for it, please let me know. I don't like calling it Chinatown. It feels bad. But anyway, that's what we're doing. Walk around here, trying to find somewhere quick to eat. Y'all see how freaking black and dark it is? Ugh. We are heading home. That place was really good. I didn't vlog any of the food, but we got like lo mein and fried rice and a bunch of different little like shareable plates, and it was really good. We had never been there before. This is what Dave decided to buy with her birthday money. A unicorn stuffy and like a unicorn bed kind of thing for her and Zenova to watch movies on.
It was sleeping.
Well, and Hazel too.
I bought it for everybody.
Oh, that's so sweet. Even Ellen.
Hi, Ellen. Comes with
Whoa.
That's what was taking. Oh my god.
It's 2 pieces.
Yeah, this is the cushiony part, and this one's the heavy. This is the heavy part.
Oh.
It's
Okay.
2 pieces. The box.
Anyway, since we ate at the Asian street fair place, now my kids want Thai tea. So I'm gonna make some Thai tea so we can have some later as like dessert. I'm going to enjoy my Thai tea, and then I'm gonna get and then I'm gonna get everything packed up for the beach tomorrow morning. That way we don't have to do it in the morning. Good morning. It is Sunday. The sun just came out. It's 9:45 and we are packed up and headed to the beach. We will stop at Publix, get some sandwiches, and I think we have everything else. We're just gonna get some sandwiches and some water and be on our way. Is everybody excited for the beach?
Yes.
So we finally made it. There is like obviously, very obviously some sort of Jeep convention going on because there is, for every 20 Jeeps, there's one non-Jeep like us. And so many freaking Jeeps. But yeah, we finally made it. And the sun is out. The sun is sunning. It's a beautiful day. It turned out to be really beautiful. Eslin! You like it? Why would I wipe you? You need to eat it. What? What did you say?
Did you hear what I said about SpongeBob?
Yes, he looked like SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. The Powder Puff Girl bubbles actually looks decent.